Hey YouTube, welcome back to Multitool School. Today I want to discuss tools that have carabiners attached to them. And I'm going to start off with one of the smaller tools. This is called the Leatherman Style CS. It's a keyring sized tool with scissors. Has a knife blade, a set of tweezers, and a nail file. But it has this little carabiner that makes it easy to attach to just about anything. I use it on the keychain. That's the Leatherman Style CS. Of course, probably the most common Leatherman tool with a carabiner is the Skeletool. Skeletool comes with pliers. It has the bit driver for the Leatherman's flat bits. An easy to open blade. It's a locking blade, liner lock. And the carabiner right here. Pretty nice tool. Another Leatherman tool or knife, I think the designation on this one is the E302. It's a pocket knife, easy to open blade, has a pocket clip. It has this fold out carabiner. Pretty handy. I think that's called the E302. Also comes with a Phillips driver. And one other Leatherman knife that I have is the H503, I believe is the designation on this one. It's a full-size knife, easy to open blade. It also comes with a can opener and a bit driver, again for those flat Leatherman bits. And this is the carabiner. Slides in and out with this right here. Now, one other device that I have is from CRKT called the Guppie. This is the Guppie. It has some extra bits with it, a sort of a bit kit that actually has a little flashlight with it. But you have these standard size bits that can be used right here on the tool. But this is the carabiner on the Guppie. This tool is sort of a combination of a crescent wrench and the driver for the bits and a knife blade that opens pretty easily. Pretty nice. So that's the Guppie, along with these Leatherman tools. And that's it. That's just a quick look at some of the tools out there that have carabiners. Thanks for watching. See you next time.